awesomeness. I don't know what you want to call this. It's absolutely beautiful here. But this is the area known as Cana, very affluent area. We're in Marina Norte, and this is what's considered the fishing lodge. It's a bunch of really nice, really nice restaurants. You know what? I should actually take a step back. I gotta show you this. Just so you can see the beautiful tunnel. I mean, you got Nakamura over there, a couple other nice places over there, but I'll just show you what we're walking into. There we go. I'm gonna toss this on time lapse just so I don't use up too much of your time because I walk slow. My feet are soaked from an incident a little while ago. If you watch one of the other episodes, did one of those impromptu testing of the waterproof ability of a GoPro. Yeah, it went exactly how it sounded. You think that it did. So anyways, we'll toss it back on time lapse and we'll do a little walk through. Like I said, this is called Marina Norte in Cana. Yeah, it's beautiful in here. Beautiful, beautiful. We got a little amphitheater in the center here. Out to the marina. Got some live large lifestyles of the, my lord, I've got too much money. How many people can I fit on a boat? I don't know how well this is showing on the camera. Conservatively, that's 70 meters long, so 230, 240 feet, or at least that's what I tell the ladies. Yeah, I believe this is the largest one currently on the island. You can fit most of the town in there if you really wanted to. So, yeah, not really a boat person, but I'm sure a lot of you like boats, so that's why we're down here at the marina. Just the serenity in a place like this, it's, I don't know, it's something special. Like the visuals speak for themselves. Sorry I'm all squinty again, but it's bright. It's bright. It's beautiful. The water's clear. The architecture is gorgeous. Quite special. We'll toss it back on time lapse right now. We're just going to do a lap the other way. I got a few things to look at here. Not property or anything like that. We're just here for lunch, visiting with some friends. They did a little boat tour today, this morning, so they're coming back in. We're going to meet them for some food. You know, that's my favorite portion of the day. Come on. Yeah, we'll show you what we eat and where we're eating. But yeah, we'll toss this back on time lapse for now and enjoy the visuals. Today for lunch. Really beautiful place. So it's quite early in the day still. Doesn't usually get busier here until nightlife. Like a lot of people do live in this area, so they're just up doing their day, doing their exercises. I mean, it's a weekday, so a lot of them will be doing their work from their offices and stuff. But this is a really good place to start, your boat tour for the day. Go out, go fishing, do whatever it is you do. For us, we're sitting down to have lunch because this is how I like to eat my food. hey, it is what it is. All right, so I'm gonna sit down and you can enjoy the view.
Okay, perfect. So you're there.
Oh, look at this, look at this. Got this huge, beautiful.
This is the beef paella.
Paella con carne.
Chicken, anything.
Oh, everything, and loaded it up for us.
This is exclusive in Dominican Republic, #1. Okay?
Oof. Really, this is the best paella in the Dominican. Beautiful. And what else we got here? We got a grilled octopus. Look at that. Ooh. It's coming, it's coming. Loading it up, loading it up. Beautiful, beautiful. And they nicely serve you there. This is so nice. Look at it. Beautiful. Great service. Amazing. Amazing.
Sorry. Ya. Luz, cámara, acción.
This is my place.
All right, back at you here. We are in the Cana Bay Beach Club. This is a really bumping part of Punta Cana. Lots of money's being spent here. This has got the Hard Rock Cafe, hotel, huge development potential here. A lot of North American money's being spent here to develop the area, the resort, investment properties. Sorry about the shift back and forth with the lighting and all that. Just showing you what's going on around here. It's quite nice. As you can see, you got a little bit of sun today, but that's okay. Didn't like wearing my hat anyways. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, yeah. I'm actually gonna go up the stairs over here, so switch around on you. All right. Beautiful. Yeah, it's quite a nice area. This is my first time here, so this is as new to me as it is you. So I'll show you what's going on, but you got to get this view. You don't want me in this one. Not bad. Boom! There it is. There you go. Look at that view. Not a lot of places in the world that'll do this to you. Now you know why they told us to come spend some time here. Consider buying here. You know, I'm not going to show you the ugly side of the developments. It's all concrete. That's all it all starts. A dusty hole in the ground and some concrete and some rebar, and then beauty happens. But this is the reason. This is the reason all that's done. Beach full of people. You can smell the money. It's actually slow season right now, so you're not beach full of people, but just people that really want to be here and love what it offers here. It's beautiful infinity pool. It looks like Boulevard and then the beach. Beach Club. Look at those waters. Look at those waves. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's quite nice. It's quite nice. Like, you know, you try and explain things and you keep using the words nice, beautiful, gorgeous island, colors, all that. But really, if you're not here, what does it actually mean? I suggest, you know, even if it's just for a quick vacation, a week, 6 days kind of thing, you can see so many beautiful things and it will bring you back. You're gonna come back. Let's just call it like it is. I've been here several times. There's a reason we keep coming back. Like, we invested in the country because not only is it a beautiful country, but it's doing very nice things for us. I don't just mean financially. I mean being part of a community like this. Everybody treats you like family. Everybody, they're so welcoming. I've been to 3 or 4 different people's houses for dinner. Like, where else do you see that happen? You know? Now we're friends. So before, they'd be strangers. We'd get talking and they say, oh, have you ever had authentic Dominican food? And I say, you know, I love food, but I don't know what's authentic. I just eat what I'm handed, obviously. But I guess what I'm getting at is they're so open to showing you their culture and their food, and they're just, obviously I come from an Italian family, which we like to feed people. So this feels very at home for me when I see a bunch of people who, you know, the money isn't important, the family unit is. So here we go, me talking it up again. This is the only reason you need to know. Beauty. And I guess one other topic a lot of people do ask, and I'm going to hit this in the Q&A section. People ask, is it safe in the Dominican Republic? Because, you know, people just think of it as like a third world country. Well, I'll be completely honest. There's always security in and around all the resorts. The cities, everybody's willing to help. If you need help finding something, you're never taken advantage of. Well, maybe sometimes if you're trying to buy a car. But other than that, there's just a feeling of safety no matter where you go. So I would highly recommend it if you're ever worried about traveling somewhere Caribbean, about safety. Here, they're going to treat you like family. You're not going to have problems. Let me just put it that way. So it's super bright right now. I'm all squinty-eyed. It's worth it.